Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how we can create a new WBS structure in our projects in Primavera P6. Let's get started. Okay, so firstly, what is a work breakdown structure? A work breakdown structure is very simply a way that we can separate our project into more manageable chunks. Let's start by opening the previous project that we created on the last video. The way we can do that is we select the project that we want, we right click and go to Open Project. Now there's a couple of ways that we can open the WBS window. We can either go to the left hand side to the two blue rectangles, or we can go to the top to Project and then go down to WBS. Now that we're in the WBS window, the way we can add a new WBS is we can go to the right hand side to the plus icon and click add. I'm going to change the WBS code to key. Actually, I'm going to change it to MIL for milestones. And I'm going to change the WBS name to key milestones. I'm going to repeat the process that we've just done and add another WBS called Zone A Pipework Replacement. We can see that pipework replacement has been indented to the key milestone WBS. We don't want that. So what we can do is we can go to the right hand side and see the left arrow button at the bottom. We can click that and move it so that it's all on level 1. I'm going to repeat the process for a final time, adding another WBS called valve replacement. And then I'm going to show you a quick tip if it's not displaying correctly. Now that that's added, let's go to activities. Here we can see that it's at level 2. I'm going to go back to the WBS window and change it to level 1 using the left hand arrow again at the bottom. I'm going to go back to activities, and here we can see that the changes have not yet taken place. So let's refresh the database by going to File and then Refresh. And there we have it. There's our new 3 WBS structures in our project. Thank you very much for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below any questions that you may have.